How to log into Instagram Threads. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app. Now head towards your profile. At the top right corner, you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. Go to this option of Threads. Open it. With that, you will land to this page, and at the bottom, you will find the option of Get Threads. Tap on it. You will be directed to the App Store or Play Store, and you will see this app, Threads, an Instagram app. Now you have to download this app. After completion of its download process, open this app. You're gonna land to this kind of page. Now at the bottom, you will find the option of login with Instagram. You can tap on this option of login with Instagram. That will connect your Instagram account's information to the Instagram Threads account. In the case you want to use another Instagram account, you can tap on the option of switch account, and from here you can choose any other account, or you can tap on this option of login to another Instagram account and use that. Right now I will be using this one account. This is the account I have been logged into, my Instagram account. You will land to this page, profile, customize your Threads profile. You can tap on this option of import from Instagram, or also you can skip it. But I would suggest you guys to tap on this option of import from Instagram. Now from here you have to select your privacy. If you want to set your account as public, you can choose this first option. If you want to set your account as private, you can select the second option. After you select it, tap on next. And here are some suggested accounts. You can follow these and tap on next. How Threads work, you can read these and you can tap on join Threads. With that, you have easily logged into your Instagram Threads. Head towards your profile. From here you can edit profile as well as your profile. So this was all for this video. This is how you can easily log into Instagram Threads. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.